how to get verified on Instagram. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can get verified on Instagram. How do you do so? First step is to log in into your Instagram account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you would be brought to the home page where you can see different posts on Instagram. Then the next step is to move to the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon, and then you click on it. Then once you're on the profiles page, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines. After clicking on it, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select settings and privacy. And then on the settings and privacy page, you would see a number of options like account center, notifications, time spent, etc. So the next step is to go to the search box, click on it, and then type out verification. This is because you might not be able to locate where it is exactly amongst the settings, all right, amongst the options that are displayed on the settings page. So as you can see this, the next step is to click on request verification. And so you'll be taken to the page where you can see the request verification page. But first of all, you can see that the verification form is limited to certain kind of accounts, such as accounts of notable individuals, prominent brands, etc. So if you do not fall into any of this category, you would not be able to request a verification. And also, you must have subscribed to Meta Verified for you to be able to get a verification. So if you are not a celebrity, if you do not have a prominent brand, you can just subscribe to Meta Verified, and then you can now go ahead, complete this form. Then after completing the form, request for a verification, and then your click on submit. Sometimes you might be asked to you'll be asked to submit a government issued card or ID. Ensure you submit it, add your link, click on submit, and then you wait for a while for your account to be verified. And then once it has been verified, a blue check mark would be attached to your username. So this is it. So if you want to verify your account, I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.